Hey guys, this is Rob with Rob Thomas Review. If you are looking for that perfect gift for that special someone in your life, your dad, your husband, your boyfriend, your brother, or if you're just looking for something super cool for yourself, definitely check out these knives that I got from Amazon. Let me show you how they look. They come in a nice little display case. Really cool. This is a set of 4. You can get these in a set of 2 or a set of 6. You can also opt to buy a wooden display case. That's super cool. I didn't go with that. I'm probably gonna get that the next time I buy it. I'm gonna buy some more of these. But let me show you up close how cool these things are, guys. They have a Damascus pattern on there. Very sharp, almost kind of like a military looking steak knife. Super cool. Feels very good in the hand. Super sharp. I'm not going to be cutting anything with this today, but they do slice through steaks, vegetables, anything with ease. They are not dishwasher safe. I wash them by hand. You can try them in the dishwasher. That's up to you, but I think it's best to just wash them by hand. Now, if you have been looking for a gift for someone, for a housewarming gift or something for Christmas, can't figure anything out, definitely check this out, guys. These knives are so cool. Everybody that comes over to my apartment asks where I got them from, so everybody thinks they're really cool. If you have any questions or comments, if you've used any other type of steak knives, what's your favorite, what do you like to cut with, please leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to do a lot more product review videos coming up soon. And once again, my name's Rob Thomas Reviews. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.